Hi and welcome to the video on how to make some bacon potato chips. It's a great recipe. It's a little different than your traditional chips, but the texture actually is very similar, even better in flavor. What do you need for that? It's 600 grams of diced Idaho potato. Starchy potato work better for that. I have here 100 grams of diced bacon, 1 clove of garlic, and 3 sprigs of thyme that I chopped, and a little salt. Boil the potato in water till they are completely done. Boil the potato in water till they are completely soft. Pour some oil into a saute pan. Add your bacon. Cook it till nicely brown. When the bacon has achieved a nice golden color, add the thyme and garlic to it. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Strain the bacon and garlic and reserve. When your potatoes are cooked, strain them and reserve them. Add the potato to a blender with the garlic and bacon mixture. Season with a little bit of salt and blend till completely smooth. Transfer the paste into a bowl. Using a pastry brush, brush the paste onto a seal pad. You will now bake those chips or trill in the oven at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the chips from the oven and peel them out of the seal pad. Bring your oil to a temperature of 330 degrees. 325, 330, don't go over higher than that. Then we will put the chips in and fry them. Let it fry. Remove them onto absorbing paper. So those are nice to garnish plates of food or to just enjoy like that on its own as a chip. If you want, you could cook them a little longer in the oven and just skip the frying process and you'll have something a little lighter. But, you know, deep frying is so good, but I prefer deep frying them. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please press the like button and leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you around on more of my videos. Happy cooking. Thank you for watching.